Hi, welcome back everyone. There's a couple of clips here. One rabbit. Was very lucky. Tad high on that one. Next clips now, a couple of rats from Cardiff. One of the permissions we got, well, my buddy's got for us. Jordan. Thank you, Big Jordan. There's a couple of rats here. This is the crusher bin. I've seen probably footage of all the rats bolting out before. This is one of the bins which they all come from. There's quite a few in this little location here.
Popping up the other days.
We've had 3 trips, totaling of 80, low 80s of rats, so not too bad. Getting at them slowly.
Hang on. He's running back and forth, isn't he?
That one had it straight in the nugget.
He did with it.
He won't be eating any more scraps. There's another one beer. Just a little porky down and you can have it, son. There we go. Night night, Irene. Give a little gymnastic flip now. Here we go, son. You got him. 10 out of 10. Yes, that's one of my favourite things to do. Forget to cock a gun before I take the shot. Come on, Nugget Head, sort it out. They're little tricky shots. Pretty tight these are. Right, managed the thread run on him. This is a different location now. This is a little small holding for my buddy. There's quite a few rats we've had off. The first night we ever shot this back a year or two ago. I think it was a year actually. We had 60 rats on the first night. We've had quite a few from well in the hundreds. Or just over. But yeah, it's been a good little small holding this one. It's a little bank and they've dug into like what rabbits warren on it. But the QYS heavies 9.56. Put that one to kip. A little one in the day, just before it got dark. This was. Footage is not the best I find when it starts getting the dusk on the pads. 07s. Nice little jackdaw. Down you go, buddy. Down you go. This is a cracker. Bottle top,
yards.
53 yards.
Bottle top.
Cracking shot. This Vulcan 177 I got. The Vulcan 2 has been phenomenal gun.
Number 2 down. Criminal. A bit of blanking. 27 yards. Love it when the plan comes together.
Unfortunately, I shot 2 pigeons, this one and one before. One was a young one.
And the nice pigeon
But I didn't have my pad attached to the gun, so I couldn't get them filmed obviously. But still less, filmed him, picked him up, went in the bag. Happy days. You went in the pot, I wanted. Seasoned with, well, the fillets seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, rock salt, cracked pepper, wrapped in bacon, and then fried in butter. Absolutely phenomenal. Can't wait to get a couple more now and put them in.
Just hope we can get a couple more. I don't think there'll be much meat on this first one I had. Only young pigeon that was. She strikes again. See you in a bit.
Right, this little clip is just a way I like to de-breast my pigeons, because that's all I eat off them really, is the pigeon breast and nothing else. So just a quick demonstration how I do it.
Cracking beautiful bird to eat.
You find it quick, easy, sharp knife, job's a good one. And if anybody got any nice suggestions what to do with the next lot of pigeon breasts I have, just drop them in the comments, and that would be much appreciated.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
That's all I like to do. Oh, 2 minutes. Got my bag. My little sandwich bag. Put my dress in. We're all done. Lovely. There's a shot in his neck. Done. Always handy to bring a sandwich bag, I see. Your old trusty Opnel. Number 8. Cracking nice, he's that. Who needs to pay expensive when you just pick these up for a couple of pounds in the local shooting shop. That's all I like to do it. Very view of the bone. Straight down. Easy as that. Gonna let just follow the meat down the leg. And then just peel it off the skin. And there we have one perfect pigeon breast. Bloody feathers. There's one. And a little bit. Same with the other side. Straight down the breastbone, nice and tight. That one wasn't. Peel the breast off the skin. Two-minute job. Crack in a bit of breast. Look at that. Hardly no meat either side. And that's how I like my pigeon breasts. Leave this now for the foxes. Or the buzzards around here. I know there's sparrowhawks around here too, so it'll be a good bit of food for them. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.